Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Nicpro Professional Miniature Painting Kit. Stay Wet Palette and 16 pieces detail paint brushes Drybrush with nylon bag. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Wet palette for miniatures. The Professional Miniature Painting Kit includes triple wet and dry palette, 12 pieces miniature paint brushes and 4 pieces Drybrush with nylon storage bag, 4 pieces gray sponges. 100 pieces palette paper, brush rest holder and elastic band, perfect for professional artist, painters, and DIY craft class. Stay Wet Palette. Our wet palette is designed for keeping paint wet. Paint palettes with lid not only prevent paint from drying out during painting, also saves leftover acrylic paint for nest time painting. Size 9.6 x 6.2 inch. Miniature paint brushes. The miniature paint brushes set contains 12 pieces detail paint brushes and 4 pieces dry brushes in different sizes and shapes, meets your different needs of painting. And comes with nylon bag. It can be brush stand holder, also hung up for effective storage. Wet palette sponge and paper. The thicker gray sponge has strong water absorption to keep paint wet, and allows you to accurately see the true paint color unlike white sponge. Palette paper is more thicker than other competitor, will not tear easily, so it needs more time to soak on water. After completely soaked and being soft, the paint will be easily mixed and kept wet. Wide application. The 2-in-1 combo wet and dry palette can be used as paint palettes for acrylic, oil, watercolor, and gouache painting, also perfect for wet palettes for painting miniature or models, especially 40K. Figurine and paint by numbers. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.